All right, good morning, everyone. I've got you. I'm going to do my best to get you out in the order that you came in. I have your names written down in that order. So if I don't acknowledge you specifically, acknowledge you now by saying good morning. I'm going to need everybody to mute their devices until I call their names. Somebody has some background noise going on. I'm looking for the iPhone. iPhone, I'm going to ask you to unmute yourself. So you see that prompt. That's the person I'm talking to with the iPhone.
It's
What's
me,
your name? What's
Jasmine.
your name?
Jasmine Gunn Hamilton.
Gunn Hamilton? All right.
Yes.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Good. And then I did. Okay, are we ready, Ms. Williams-Law?
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning, Sergeant Addison.
Morning, sir.
In the breakout room. Any other officers here? Who is RO?
That's me. First name Royal, last name Owen.
Real Owen, good morning to you.
How you doing?
All right, how about yourself?
Can't complain.
All right, let's get started.
Am I staying unmuted or am I muting myself?
You can mute yourself now.
You're going to mute, and this is a court reporter. For the record, everyone, thank you for muting your devices. If you unmute and you see that your device mutes, it's not muting on its own. It is more than likely myself or one of the colleagues online in the Zoom room muting you. So please don't unmute your device. Keep them muted. That it helps for the record to have a smooth transition on the record. Thank you so much, everyone. Good morning.
Okay, Paris's iPhone. What is your name, please?
Paris Lily.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Make sure they. Okay, thank you.
City of Detroit versus Paris Lee, case number SP 1556504, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., P28880 on behalf of Ms. Lely. State your full name, Ms. Lely.
Paris Lily.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Ms. Lely, as it stands right now, the city is offering you a no offer on the open intoxicated vehicle passenger. That's a $240 fine. What is that? It's an absolute right to a trial. And that's 2 points on your driver's license and an alcohol-related offense on your driver's license. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He can explain things. You let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay, thank you.
All right, you're welcome. Pass the matter. Chris's iPhone.
Hello.
Good morning to you. What's your
Good
name,
morning.
sir?
Christopher Larkin.
Okay, Christopher Larkin, I see. Ma'am, do you have something on over there that's causing to make that? Yeah. Pardon me? It's the city of Detroit versus Christopher Larkin, case number SP 12046581. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Pauline Soroki on behalf of Christopher Larkin.
Mr. Larkin, state your name for the record, please.
Christopher Larkin.
Today is the date and time set for an arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, counsel.
Waive the formal reading the information, stand due to the charges, Your Honor.
You look, this is the judge right here. Remember, that's the judge. That's the video.
All right, listen. On that bar 13, you gotta mute your device. What's your name, please? Bar 13, that just was speaking to someone. Can you mute him, Miss? All right. Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Will give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Larkin, do you have valid registration for a vehicle that you own? Do you own a vehicle?
I do, but I got my license and stuff now, so I got myself figured out. So
No, I'm saying, do you have valid registration for that vehicle?
yes,
Let's see what you have.
it's inside my vehicle right now.
Can you go get it?
Yes.
All right, go get it.
Okay.
We'll go get it past the matter, and then show us what you have. All right.
Okay.
Pass that matter. Just raise your hand in the Zoom when you come back.
Okay.
City of Detroit versus C. Long III, case number SP 156-11391. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of the defendant.
Mr. Long, can you state your name for the record, please?
Percy Long.
Morning to you. Today is date and time set for a pretrial. Do you have valid insurance, sir?
Yes, I do.
Let's see what you have, please.
It's right here.
Back it up just a little. It's not coming into focus.
Okay.
Go. Where you go? You still there, Mr. Long?
Yes, I am.
All right, go ahead. Try it again. Come a little closer, please. A little closer, please. Now pull it down.
That's what the guy said. Okay, I'm just telling you, right?
I'm gonna call it good. I'm gonna dismiss the case and provide valid documentation.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Very good day. Best of luck to you, Mr. Long.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Eugene Garrett, case number SP 149982021, SP 1529669, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please. State your name for the record, please. Mr. Garrett.
Garrett.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a review. You haven't paid anything.
I thought I had more time. I didn't know that it was today. I thought it was June 2nd.
So when do you need?
I'm sorry, say it again.
When can you pay it?
I can do some this week and next week.
Well, let's come back June 3rd, since you thought it was June 2nd, have it all paid off.
Okay.
June 3rd at 8:25. Have a great day. Best of luck to you.
Okay, thank you.
All right, Mr. Barry, you ready on your client? Did Mr. Barry ever come out? Mr. Warling?
I'm ready, Your Honor. Ready as to Ms. Lealy.
All right, let's go back on Ms. Lealy. Ms. Lealy, give you an opportunity to speak to counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we would have this matter set for trial, and we need the appointment of counsel.
Is that what you want to do, Ms. Lealy?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to need a good phone number from you.
From me?
Yes.
248-739.
In the chat, you can. I need the phone number so that can contact you.
So I have to write it in the chat with all of these people in here?
You can send it directly to me.
Okay.
All right. I'm gonna set a pre-trial. Well,
hello.
Let me do this. Why don't we set a trial date for August the 1st, 2024, Ms. Lealy? If you what you need to do is you need to answer the calls that you might not recognize, because one of those calls should be that attorney. If you don't hear from an attorney in the next couple of weeks, you need to get back in touch with the court so that we can appoint one for you on the spot, so you're ready on August the 1st, all right?
Okay.
No further questions. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
Okay. Can I get probation? Yeah, I don't want to just see what he's doing on test. All right, State of Michigan and the City of Detroit versus Shakita Glenn, case number SP 156-12511, SX 3810963. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Ms. Nguyen.
Glenn, state your name for the record, please.
Shakita Gwen.
See here. Today is, let's call the date and time set for a pre-trial on the driver suspended, and is set for a show cause later on on the 14th on an open operating while intoxicated. Ms. Soroki, let's handle both of them. right now as for purposes of bond.
Well, its purpose on the operating while intoxicated, we'd waive the formal reading the information, stand mute to the charges, Your Honor.
Okay, we're gonna give Ms. Gwen a $500 personal bond. Ms. Gwen, I'm gonna have you start testing one time per week. No leaving the state of Michigan during the pendency of this case. And no drinking, obviously, during the pendency of this case. I'm gonna refer this matter to probation. I need a good phone number from you as well.
It's 313-917-7187. I have a question.
Yes.
I was on a tether for 30 days and I also just got off probation April 2nd. I'm not really clear on what is going on with my case.
Okay, you have an allegation here that driving while intoxicated back on 11/4/2020 in the area of I-94, strike that, M10 in Wyoming. So with that being said, you have I'm gonna impose some restrictions on you for drinking until this case is over with. Does that
Okay.
make it
So the
clearer for
third
you?
I was on an alcohol tether. That has nothing to do with this case.
I don't know that you are on alcohol tether. You tell me, I don't know what else you have. Then this is Judge Bryant's case. Okay, so let me, no, I guess it's my case now. It's my case.
Your
I
Honor,
don't know
what's the case number?
It's SX 38109632. It's my case now. I guess you were on alcohol tether. I don't know if it related to this matter. I'm gonna let you speak to Mrs. Soroki in a breakout room and you can have a conversation with her and we'll see where it goes after you get out, all right?
Okay.
Join the room, please. Pass that matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Larkin. Mr. Larkin, do you have valid documentation?
Yes, I have my registration.
All right, I need to see your, oh, sorry about that. You know, I made a mistake. All right, let's go ahead. Let's see what you have.
Okay, 1 second. Let me turn the camera back on.
All right, I'm gonna dismiss the case, providing valid documentation, all right?
Okay, thank you.
Have a great day.
You
On
too.
the way as well. Any officers in here that I haven't put in the breakout room, haven't recognized? Brittany Langford, you there?
Yes, I'm here.
All right, good morning, ma'am. This is the city of Detroit versus Brittany Langford, case number SP 1562003, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Owen S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Langford.
Brittany Langford.
Okay, it's the date and time set for a pretrial offer as it stands right now is pleading to the 1 to 5 civil infraction. That's 1 point is $125 dismissed the misdemeanor. You have an absolute right to a trial. If you need to speak to Mr. Berry, you can about it. I'll put you in a breakout room and let you speak to them anyway.
Okay.
Civil infraction, $125, and a 1 point on your license. Join the room, please. Morning, Corporal Proxy. All right, I had an iPhone that I let in. Let me see if I can unmute that. All right, it's an iPhone on the telephone.
Hello?
All right, the iPhone on the, you're not on the video. iPhone, say your name, please.
Joshua Odom.
Joshua Olden.
Yes, Odom. O-D-U-M.
O-D-U, Joshua. All right, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Who was that?
Okay.
All right. Is Jabari Law here or Marcus Long here?
Yes, Marcus Long is here.
This is the city of, hold on, please. City of Detroit versus Marcus Allen Long, case number U6784933 appearance. State your name for the record, please.
Marcus Allen Long.
All right, Mr. Long, you were ordered to pay $240. You only have $100 paid. What's going on?
I've been going through school to become state certified to be a pesticide applicator. So I just got the job. I just got my first check. And with rent and everything, that's literally all I had.
Take your hat off, sir, please. All right. When can you pay?
I get paid next Friday, so next Friday I could pay up the rest 100%.
You want to come back Friday, or you want to come back the Monday following?
The Monday following, so that I could pay after work, after I get paid.
So what do you mean next Friday? Is that Friday the 10th? And then come back Monday the 13th?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Come back on Monday the 13th on the morning, 8:25 is paid, and we'll do what we said we were going to do. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor. Did you say 8:25?
8:25. Have a great day. Best of luck to you.
Your Honor, Officer Walsh or Golden, Tanisha Golden at 9 for training. He wants to dismiss automatics.
All right, Miss Mason Walsh, Officer Walsh wants to dismiss all the matters. We need a Spanish interpreter. Is Jabari Law here?
Yes, I'm here. Yes, I'm here.
You didn't pay either.
He just told I've been paying. You put me on the payment plan. I paid one ticket off. They told me I can get my license. I just talked to them yesterday.
City of Detroit versus Jabari Law, case number. Case number is SP 155920012, SP 9702832, 9703362. State your name for the record, please.
Jabari Law.
All right, I don't see a payment plan here.
Well, I just been going down there paying. I just paid $100 something yesterday. They told me I paid $150 last week, and then I paid the other $110. Yeah, I'm eligible to get my license now. I paid one was $258. You said I could pay that to get my license, and then every week I go throw something on the other one.
Well, you need to set a payment plan up with the court. That's what you need to do, because I don't see a payment plan here.
Yeah, I just went down there and took money.
I'm gonna give you 30 days. I'm gonna give you 30 days to either pay it or set the payment plan up. June the 3rd, come back. If the payment plan is entered, and if it's entered by June the 3rd, I'll see it. You don't have to come back, or if it's paid. But if not, you gotta let me know what's going on, all right? June the 3rd. If there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day. Best of luck to you. June the 3rd is the next action date, all right?
What time?
8:25.
All right.
Are we ready on Mr. Barry Langford?
Yes, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record for Ms. Langford. Ms. Langford, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, Ms. Langford would avail herself of the offer. Stands ready to enter to the 1 to 5.
And stipulate to the face ticket as an active factual basis for that responsible plea.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
$125. I'll find her responsible for the amended count of 1 to 5. When can you pay it, Ms. Langford?
I can pay it now.
Wait till that you pay it at any DIV that kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that DIV that app to your phone. I'm gonna give you till the end of the week to make sure that this gets paid on May the 3rd, 2024. Or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. If you don't have anything further, ma'am, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good day, all right?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. This is the city of Detroit versus Sharnita Leonard. Case number SP 1562086, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood F. Sperry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Leonard.
Sharnita Leonard.
Okay, morning to you, man. Today is the date and time set for a do you have valid license, man?
Yes.
Run Ms. Leonard's license, please. Ms. Leonard, I always say that might not be the worth the plastic it's printed on now. We're gonna check with the source for that, all right? And then if the license is good, let's see what the city is willing to offer you. I can almost guess, but let's make sure. The city's willing to offer you a 1 to 5. That's a 1 point on your driver's license. The license is valid. 1 to 5, $125. Absolute right to a trial. I need to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Barry so you can see, have a conversation with them, or you can take the deal. What would you like to do?
I can take the deal.
I don't see anything, moving violations on her driving record, Mr. Berry. All right, I'll let you take the deal then. Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for that responsible plea on behalf of your client, counselor.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
It's amazing. Where's the ticket here? Stipulate to proper for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
I find your client responsible for the amended count of $1 to $525. When can you pay it now?
I can pay it tomorrow, actually. Yes, tomorrow.
And any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit, I'm told you can upload that DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. If it's nothing further, I'll give you until March the 3rd on Friday to make sure that's paid, all right? Have a very good day. Best of luck to you, man.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I'm back on Ms. Gwen, Your Honor.
Okay, this is the city of Detroit. Gunter. Is Gunter here? City of Detroit versus Royal Owen, case number SP 1537781, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearing for the record, please.
Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. Owen.
Mr. Berry, really, because you got one second waiting. Mr. Berry. This may be a quick one too. All right, he's on. Mr. Owen. Owen, can you state your name for the record, please?
Yeah. Yes, first name Royale, last name Owen.
All right, do you have valid registration and insurance?
Yes.
You had it, I'll just stay there, okay? Who is that Monique Oliver?
Yes, sir. I'm just covering up the address part.
All right. I'm satisfied with that. Same vehicle. Let's you gotta push that closer. That's fine. I'm gonna dismiss the case and provide valid documentation.
Thank you.
Everyone, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
You too.
Janisha's iPhone.
Yes.
Morning to you, ma'am. Are you driving?
No, I am parked right now. I'm at my husband's job.
What is your, good morning to you. What is your last name?
So my maiden last name is Gaines, but I recently was married on March 22nd. So now it's Holmes.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
8:35.
I got it. City of Detroit versus Janisha case number SP 156266011. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name Formerly Ms. Gaines.
Janisha Danielle Gaines. I didn't even know that I had I didn't know I had a lawyer. Nobody told me. So yeah.
Do you not want one or what?
No, that's fine, but I do want to let you know that it was not me that was pulled over.
But let's just see this. Do you have a valid driver's license, ma'am?
Yes, I do. I actually got it. I had to get it renewed because of my last name. I don't have my physical license, but I do have the temporary one.
Wait a minute, Ms. Gaines. Can you run her license, please? All right, let's pass.
I live in Kentucky, so
There's no Michigan license.
no, ma'am, no, sir. I've never had a Michigan license. I've lived in Kentucky for over 11 years. I have not been back to Detroit, Michigan. I can tell you who used my name, but you know.
We'll have to set a trial.
You said we'll have to set a trial?
Yes. You're indicating that this wasn't you.
Yes, sir. That was not me.
All right, and it's no way for us to. I would dismiss the case. There's no way for us to clear this up because you don't. There's no way for us to check to see if you have a Michigan license.
I don't have one. I've never had one.
You indicate that you have a Kentucky license. You never had a Michigan license.
No, sir. I'm sorry.
Go ahead.
Oh, yeah, like I said, I've lived in Kentucky for over 11 years. I have not been to Michigan. My first license ever was here in Kentucky.
You said that. You said that already. So with that being said, we'll call the officer in and you say it wasn't you. We'll see if he can ID and we'll go from there, all right?
Okay.
The trial is going to be August the 1st, 2024 at 9 a.m. And once the case is resolved, maybe you'll tell us who it is. All right?
I can tell you who it is right now.
Tell me who it is now, please. There's nothing further now.
Her name is Dominique Deveron Light.
It is.
I'm sorry.
All right. Just have a good day. August the 1st. Have a good day.
Zoom?
Zoom.
Okay.
All right. City of Detroit, Mr. Gary versus Elvin Oliver Gunter. Case number SP 101-8147, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 101-81481. 16-22-1273, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gunter.
He keeps getting bounced out. All right, let's pass the matter. Let's pass the matter. He continues to get bounced out. All right, Ms. Soroki. Ms. Gwynn, let's go back on the record with Ms. Gwynn. All right, Ms. Soroki, go ahead.
Your Honor, I did have the opportunity to speak with Ms. Gwynn, and I did review a register action from Frank Murphy Hall of Justice. I shared that with the court and with Ms. Mason just for purposes of, so you have information. In any case, it seems that this matter, she did plead guilty on an incident for drinking and driving on the same date that this case is charged. So it's my recommendation the court would appoint counsel for her and let them try to confirm it is the same incident.
What do you have to say, Ms. Mason? Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Shakita Quinn.
No, not Ms. Quinn, Ms. Mason, the city attorney.
And one more thing I'll add, she was successfully discharged from their probation on just recently.
So are you making a motion to dismiss or are you just gonna let another
Well, I would like to make a motion to dismiss, if Miss Mason was amenable to it.
Can you discuss that with her?
Of course I will.
All right, try to do that, and then we'll pass it one more time, and we'll see.
Thank you.
And then we still dealing with the license suspended. Ms. Gwen, do you have a valid driver's license?
No, I get the issue resolved with you. I have
That's-
to month without my license.
That's it. Hold on a second. Let's just deal with one matter at a time. You don't have a valid license, so let Miss Soroki deal with the more serious offense, and then we'll deal with the other offense after that.
Okay.
All right. I'm gonna pass it again, Ms. Soroki, and let you give the information and see. We'll make a decision on your motion. All right. All right. Pass it, Mr. Warbling. Are you there?
Yes. Good morning to you, Judge.
Good morning to you. What is you, Mr. Luber, Officer Thomas? Good morning to you. Are you here on Luber as well?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Are you ready on Luber, Mr. Warbling?
We are, Judge. I spoke with Attorney Mason. The toxicologist is here, but the officers aren't here. So I think she wants to be present before we move forward.
Trial day. The officers have another, what? We'll wait 12 minutes. The officers
Yes,
have,
Judge.
all right.
Thank you.
I need an interpreter. Put it up now. Yesterday he was here. He didn't come back in the room. Al Grant.
Yes.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
City of Detroit. City of Detroit versus Albert Grant, case number SP 1549706, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Grant.
Albert Grant.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Grant, do you have a valid registration and insurance?
Yes, I do.
Can you show the court that, please?
Absolutely.
Let's see what you have. Let's see. Yeah, let me see. Hold is still. All right. Saw it. All right. What about this Chrysler? You still have this Chrysler or no?
Yeah.
Is that the registration and insurance for that?
Yes. Wait, you said the Chrysler? I'm sorry, you said the Chrysler? No.
Yeah. You don't have that?
Chevrolet Malibu.
I'm gonna dismiss for providing valid documentation.
Okay, thank you.
All right, have a good day, sir. Best of luck to you.
You too.
City of Detroit versus DeAndre Anthony Lavender Jr. Case number SP 1561294. Counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lavender. You have to unmute.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. First name DeAndre, last name Lavender.
Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Do you have valid license, registration, and insurance?
Registration, yes, not license or insurance.
I thought you had a license. You just got off the driver's seat of a car. But
No, I am in. Oh, well, I was in a car, but I got off. It was too loud.
Failure to display is the offer $240 fine. You have an absolute right to a trial. Speak to Mr. Berry in a breakout room and let us know what you want to do. All right, Mr. Lowry?
Okay.
Counselor Jeans, good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge.
How can we help you?
I apologize.
How can we help you?
Oh, yes. Yesterday, my client, Raven Green, was scheduled for a hearing, but we scheduled the date wrong because she received notice of a show cause scheduled for May 14th. I was trying to correct the matter or see how can I correct the matter to get her before you again.
Is it two E's? Is it an E on the end of Green?
Yes, Greene. First name Raven. It should be disorderly conduct.
Is Mr. Green here?
I can get her here.
City of Detroit versus Raven Green, case number SP 155-86101. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Chesterton SP 83295, representing Ms. Raven Green. I ask, may we waive her appearance for this matter?
I'll waive the presence. Motion to waive the presence. You retain counsel. You want to just set a trial date? Counsel?
Yes, Your Honor.
August the, as for purposes of the reign.
We waive the formal reading of the information and stay on mute.
All right. In or not guilty plea on her behalf, give her a $0 bond. As for purposes of the trial, it's going to be August the 1st, 2024 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you. Appreciate you. Have a wonderful day to you and your staff.
You as well. Ms. Soroki?
We're ready on Gwen, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Gwen. What's going to happen?
So the city attorney is willing to dismiss the matter that I indicated was already adjudicated at Frank Murphy, the OWI. And regarding the other matter, I believe my client would like either a pretrial date or a trial date.
What would you like?
I'm going to ask for a pretrial date, give her a little more time to get her license together because she's just, coming off probation and needing second.
Is that what you want to do, Ms. Gwen?
Yeah.
Come back on June the 20th, 2024 for a pretrial at 8:30. I'm going to dismiss this ticket. Actually, this is a state ticket. So actually, I sent you to the wrong party. But I'm gonna accept your representation that you have, seen the file, you've seen the, dismissal, you've, the case is rising under the same date as the other one, and it was a Frank Murphy case, Ms. Soroki.
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm gonna accept that representation and dismiss the case. I'll waive the warrant fee. About probation and stuff. I'll waive the warrant fee. You're gonna be responsible to pay the $45 reinstatement fee, okay? And on the driver license suspended, you have a pretrial date for, you have a pretrial date for 6/20/2024 at 8:30 a.m., all right?
Thank you so much.
Best of luck to you, ma'am. Have a good day.
You too.
Ready as to Mr. Lavender, Your Honor.
Now let's go back on the record with Mr. Lavender. I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
We seek a bench trial date, Your Honor.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Lavender?
Yes.
Trial date is going to be August the 1st, 2024 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, Mr. Lavender, best of luck to you. Have a very good day, all right? August the 1st.
August the 1st. Okay.
All right, is Gunter there? Is Gunter there?
Are you saying Gunter or gun?
Gunter. All right, let's go. I believe it's gonna be a problem. Keep falling in and out. City of Detroit. Versus, what is this? Help me with the pronunciation, Markini Lloyd.
I'm here.
Did I get the pronunciation correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, good morning to you. Case numbers SP 1568949 12. Let's see if this other case is mine. No, it's not. Appearance for the record, please.
Colleen Soroki on behalf of Ms. Lowe.
Ms. Lowe, state your name for the record, please.
Martini Lowe.
As for purposes of arraignment, counsel,
Waive the formal reading of the information, stand mute to the charges, Your Honor.
you are not guilty plea on your client's behalf and give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Lowe, do you have valid license, registration, and insurance?
I didn't have no insurance, but I have registration. The insurance was in my boyfriend name.
You have valid license, registration? No, do you have valid license?
I ain't have a license at the time. I was going through some stuff with my mom having cancer. And at the time my boyfriend at the time that was here was normally driving me around. So I normally don't drive like I'm supposed to.
Let me ask you this. I hope your mom is okay. Is she okay?
No, at the time when I couldn't get her to her cancer treatments, so I was taking her around for her cancer treatments. Until then, she just passed away. I was making sure she was getting to the doctor's appointments. I know I'm not supposed to be driving.
I'm sorry to hear about your mom passing away, ma'am. Now, do you have a license now?
No, I'm going to work on getting my license.
I don't know if where's Miss Mason? The offer is failure to display and a no registration. I'm not even gonna charge you for the registration. We'll close it out but the failure to display is a $240 fine and will abstract to the Secretary of State. You have an absolute right to a trial. I'll give you an opportunity to get a driver's license if you can. Speak to Ms. Soroki. All right.
Okay.
Join the room, please. Iris Hill.
No, it's Mr. Giles, Your Honor.
Mr. who?
Giles. I was driving her vehicle when I caught the tickets.
James Giles.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you.
How you doing today? Your Honor?
City of Detroit versus James Lewis Giles, case number SP 155-49891, SP 155-70771. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Giles.
Oh, James Giles.
Baby time, except for pre-trial. Do you have valid registration and insurance, Mr. Giles?
Yes, sir.
Let's see what you have, please.
Wait a minute.
You're gonna have to hold it up so we can see it. See what this says.
Can you see it?
All right, that's for that vehicle you were driving. Let's see the insurance, please.
I never received the paper, but it's on my phone, Your Honor. My other phone.
All right, I need to see, okay, I see, hold on. I need to see the expiration date and you have to scroll.
Let me get to that.
Let's slide it over. That's the effective date.
Can you see it?
Hold it up now. Expiration 4/4. Expired.
Yep.
Are you effective date 4/4? Oh, slide it over. You got to slide it over so I can see that whole expiration date. Hold it up. All right, that's what I'm gonna dismiss the case for providing valid documentation. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you. You have a blessed day.
Ms. Snyder, good morning to you.
Thank you, sir.
Good morning, Your Honor.
It's mine. It's I know it's got her up top, but it's been the scroll down.
Yeah, we scheduled it to you. This is her case, and I just want to make sure.
Ask her. I already dismissed it anyway, so I thought it was mine. It was just dismissed.
So, okay.
She'll never know. Ms. Snyder, how can we help you?
Good morning, Your Honor. I've come in to swap out with my colleague, Miss Mason.
Okay, are you back for good or just today?
just for today and then Monday through Thursday of next week.
All right.
Hopefully.
Let's go with, all right, Mr. Worley, are you ready?
Yes, Judge.
Has your officer showed?
Not since the last time I spoke with Attorney Mason.
Zachary Brown and Julian Tinaj.
And I was able to confirm with my colleague, Ms. Mason, that they did not check in, Your Honor. Alexa Schneider for the P80322.
All right, City of Detroit versus Randy Burt Luger, case number Z8087871. Mr. Warbling, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Ben Werbling, P64889 on behalf of Mr. Luger.
Nothing.
Mr. Luger, can you state your name for the record? Good morning to you. I saw him in the room.
He's here, Judge. He's muted.
Mr. Luger, I give him, maybe he'll mute himself.
I'm here, sir.
State your name for the record. Good morning to you.
Randy Luger.
Today is the date and time set for a trial. You can put your appearance on the record as well, Officer. Officer Thomas.
Good morning, Your Honor. Officer Joseph Thomas on behalf of the Probation Department.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial. I guess it's the record. We've heard that the officer didn't show up, so that generally doesn't happen, but go ahead, counsel.
Judge, for those reasons, we're prepared to proceed. If the prosecution's not, we'd ask for a dismissal.
All right, we're gonna grant the motion to dismiss. If you don't have anything further, Mr. Luger, you have a very good day. Best of luck to you. And Officer Thomas, you have a very good day. I don't think we have anyone else. And Mr. Warbling, have a very good day.
You too, same to you and your staff. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, let's go with, ever get the interpreter, Miss? City of Detroit versus Jasmine Nicole Monte Gunn Hamilton, case number SP1555248, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Jasmine Gunn Hamilton, I'm here.
Pauline Soroki on behalf of Ms. Hamilton.
There's the date and time set for a show cause. Go ahead, counsel.
Waive the formal reading of the information, Your Honor. Stand mute to the charges.
All right, we enter not guilty plea on her behalf. Give her a $0. She's got one case on the docket and 2 cases that you're going to need to get an updated offer for. She has a failure to secure passenger. She started making payments on that. $70 she's paid, and a failure to stop at a stop sign. $30 she's paid on that. Get Miss Hamilton an updated offer. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Miss Hamilton. Speak with Miss Soroki, and she has an absolute right to a trial. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. All right?
Yes.
I understand we've had a change in city attorneys.
Oh, yes, you have. All right. So,
can I speak with Ms. Snyder first, please? Or can I get control, maybe?
I thought you had it, but yeah, I'm going to give you. Let's see. Let's do it like this. And let's go like that. All right, breakout room 4, please.
Thank you.
Pass the matter. What about low, Mr. Gary? Are we ready on low?
I thought.
Who spoke with low? I think Ms. Soroki spoke with low. Let's pass the momentarily. Let's pass the momentarily. Fatima Gibson.
Yes, I'm here.
try to, Mr. Berry, I think you not try to, while somebody has one that they're spoken to already, making sure that goes to the next attorney, and therefore you don't run into that kind of issue, but it's not gonna be much longer than that. This is the city of Detroit versus Kativa Gibson, case numbers SP 129-194, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 154-9147, counts 1 and counts 2. And SP 154-9149, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, I'm here.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Gibson.
Kativa Gibson.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, my client would stand mute.
Good morning, Ms. Gibson. I'll give her in our not guilty plea on her behalf. We'll give her a $0 bond. I need an updated offer for Ms. Gibson. Mr. Berry, I'm going to have you speak with Ms. Schneider to get an updated offer. I think I have 5 cases on the docket. One, I can give you the other cases that aren't on the docket. Two civil infractions are just expired plate and defective lights. So speak to Ms. Schneider and get an updated offer from Ms. Schneider. I'm gonna put you in 4 while they're in there now. Join it. You can speak for defective lights and expired plates, additionally to the ones that I called. Ms. Gibson, I'm going to put you in breakout room 2. You wait on Mr. Berry. Keep in mind you have an absolute right to a trial. If you don't want to take the offer, you can always set the matter for trial. All right.
Okay.
Join the room, please. All right, on that phone at 810-333-5796. Good morning, please.
Yes, good morning. This is Abel Lerma.
Who?
Abel Lerma.
Abel Lerma. All right, good morning to you.
Good morning, sir.
Your officer has appeared, so we'll get some kind of resolution today, hopefully. All right, on the device with the G, I'm asking you to unmute yourself, sir. Good morning to you. What's your name, please?
Hello, sir. My name is Kendall Galladay.
Kendall
Galladay, G-O-L-I-D as in David, A.
All right. Good morning to you.
Good morning, sir.
Smooth's iPhone. I think we've met before. Smooth's iPhone.
Yes, how you doing, Your Honor?
What's your name, sir?
David Guthridge.
Yeah, because I'm not going to call you Smooth. David Guthridge. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
I think I asked last time, are you really smooth or what? Didn't I ask you that last time?
Yeah, I think I recall you asking me that.
All right, let's wait and wait on a counsel. Gunter, are you there? He's got to set his audio up. His audio is not set up. I'm gonna send him a note. Coming in. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Lowe. Ms. Lowe, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, at this time, we're asking for a pretrial date.
Is that what you want to do, Ms. Lowe? You have to unmute yourself now.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to set a pretrial date for June 20th, 2024. You know you have another case out there under Judge Bryant, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, come back June 20th, 2024, man, at 8:30. There's nothing further ever buried today.
All right, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back. Let's go back on the record. One bill. Let's go. You're free to leave, Ms. Lowe.
Okay, thank you.
Let's go back on the record. Ms. Hamilton, I'm sorry, Gunn Hamilton. Mr. Soroki, I've given you your opportunity to speak to your counsel, Ms. Gunn Hamilton. Ms. Soroki, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, I had the opportunity to speak with the city attorney. At this time, she's willing to set aside the default on the failing to stop and dismiss that matter. The no insurance is being amended to improper plate. My client's waiving her rights, asking the court to adopt that.
And dismissing the secure passenger, I assume.
She didn't say she would dismiss the secure passenger. I don't know. Once payments are made, I don't know if it can be dismissed.
I think there's normal practices to just complete to one and dismissing the other two.
She didn't really have a problem with it. She just didn't. So I don't think she would mind. I'll text her now, but she.
Well, Ms. Snyder, I think she's here.
Okay, thank you.
I would prefer to dismiss both of those charges.
I'm sure you would. Ms. Snyder, are you giving her a 1 for 3?
I was just yes, Your Honor, I'm fine with that. I was double checking to make sure. I believe it's a non-abstractable 0 point anyways. I have no objection to dismissing it.
All right. What we'll do is you want to take the deal, we'll dismiss those two. I'll give you credit for the payments you made. This fine you the rest of the money on the no insurance. When you pay it, we'll dismiss the case. You want to take that deal, ma'am?
So it's going to dismiss the other 2 tickets, and then the insurance plate, is it going to be the proper, the one that she was giving me?
Yes, the proper plate. Not abstractable.
Yes, I'll take it.
Raise your right hand, please. Swear or affirm, tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, and you put your hand down. You don't understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and $400 or $500 in fines.
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial.
Yes.
Ms. Soroki went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
By taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Anybody offer you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right. Let me draw your attention back to February 28, 2024, around 6:50 p.m. Detroit, the area of Tyerman and Abington. Did you have an occasion to be in that? Did you have an occasion on February 28, 2024, around 6:15 p.m., city of Detroit, in the area of Tyerman and Abington? Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
Operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Officer asked you to give them valid insurance for that vehicle? What happened?
No, I didn't have. I didn't have insurance. My insurance had overlapped.
All right. Find guilty of amended count of improper plates. Stipulates a probable cause. I'll dismiss the other two matters.
So stipulated.
I'm gonna find your client this 140 on this because we're not gonna refund the money on those other ones. So 140, because you already paid $100 toward those other 2 tickets. When can you pay the 140 now?
Can I have 2 weeks? Because this week I gotta pay, I get paid bi-weekly. This week I gotta pay my car.
Come back June 24th, 2024. I mean, strike that. Come back May 16th, 2024 at 8:25, all right? If it's paid, we'll dismiss the case. If it's not, then we gotta find out what's going on, all right?
Okay. You said May 16th
at 8:25.
8:25. Okay, thank you.
Very good day. Best of luck to you. All right. Marcus iPhone. Did we take care of Marcus already? I think we did.
Ready as to Ms. Gibson, Your Honor.
What about Marcel Green?
I'm here, Your Honor.
Your middle name, sir? I see. This is the City of Detroit versus Marcel Urban Green, case number SE 155788, counts 1, 2, and 3. Here's for the record, please.
Colleen Soroki, behalf of Mr. Green.
Mr. Green, state your name for the record, please.
Marcel Green.
All right, today is the date and time set for a show cause in this matter as for purposes of arraignment, counsel.
Your Honor, waive the formal reading of the information subject to the charges.
They're not guilty plea on if we have, give them a $0 bond. Why don't you go in the breakout room, Mr. Green? You have an absolute right to a trial. We're gonna get you an updated offer. The 2 tickets that aren't on the docket that went along with this case are improper left turn and a seatbelt ticket. So give Mr. Green an updated offer. You have an absolute right to a trial. Wait on Ms. Soroki in the breakout room, okay? Number 3.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And Your Honor, can I have a quick moment before we go to the next case after Mr. Green?
You may.
Thank you.
What's the resolution on Ms. Gibson, Mr. Berry?
Ms. Gibson will accept the offer, Your Honor.
And what was the offer?
Non-docket matters to be dismissed.
Non-docket matters to be dismissed and plead to the defective equipment and expired plates?
Pleading to failure to display and improper plates.
Okay, failure to display and improper plates, all right. Okay, you say non-docket matters to be dismissed.
Where is she? Oh, there she is. Okay.
We're just waiting on this.
Too many stickers.
Is this Joshua?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Saturday.
Is this Joshua Taiwan Odom?
Yeah.
Keep getting tickets. We're waiting on Miss.
Thank you, Your Honor. Back.
Are you ready? All right. Let's go back on the record. Ms. Gibson. Ms. Gibson, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel indicates you want to take the deal, failure to display, $240 fine, improper plates, $240 fine. I'll dismiss the improper plate upon payment. The improper plate will not abstract, therefore will not carry any points, and the failure to display will abstract. It's a 0 point offense, will abstract. Is that what you want to do, Ms. Gibson?
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Start your video, raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to February 5th, 2024, around 12:34 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Jefferson and Bobian. Have an occasion on that day to come in encounter with the Detroit Police Department.
Yes, I remember.
Operating a motor vehicle?
You said, do I?
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Officer asked you to produce valid driver's license and insurance for that vehicle.
Yes. But I didn't know my license was expired at the time.
Say that again?
No, never mind.
All right, they asked you to, you couldn't produce either, could you?
No.
Why couldn't you produce the license?
Because I produced them, but I didn't know that they was expired at the time.
So their license was expired. I'm gonna find her guilty of the count of failure to display, $240 for that. Why couldn't you produce the insurance?
I didn't have them. I didn't renew it.
Very well. I'm gonna find you guilty of the count of improper plate, $240 a piece. Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of all the other matters. Mr. Barry?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Thank you. 240 and 240, when can you pay it now?
In a month.
Why so long?
Because I had just started my job and I
Very
get
well.
paid bi-weekly.
Very well. I'm gonna give you until June the 30th, 2024. Let's set that matter for a review. Come on back in on that date and we will do what we said we will do, dismiss. You pay the tickets at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it. Come back June 3rd at 8:25. If you don't have anything further, have a very good day. Ms. Gibson, best of luck to you.
Okay, so thank you.
Gunter ever get his device together? Okay, Mr. Barry. I think this one's kind of simple. This is the city of Detroit versus Joshua Odom, Taiwan Odom. Case numbers SP 1373091, SP 1514411, SP 154658001, SP 1546727. SP 157225, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1572530, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1572801. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Odom.
Joshua Odom.
Your Honor, it would
Yes.
we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute, Your Honor.
In our not guilty plea, have give him a $0 bond. It appears that Mr. Odom has a trial date set for May 28th, 2024. With Mr. Odom, what we're going to do is set these matters, all these matters for trial on the date, all right?
Okay.
So you don't have to come back on the 16th. You will set all the matters for trial on that the 28th, on that May 28th date. All right.
Okay. Thanks.
All right. Make sure you
What
have
time?
make sure 8 at 9 a.m. Make sure you zoom in instead of calling. Make sure you zoom in. All right.
Okay.
This is the city. You're free to leave. Have a great day. This is the city of Detroit versus Peyton Lloyd. Case number SP 1461395. Counts 1, 2, and 3. Mr. Barry, appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lloyd.
Peyton Corinne Lloyd.
Sorry.
Morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Officer, I at least have one officer here. Officer Hebner is here. The other officer, Harris, I do not believe has showed. So, Mr. Barry, why don't you, let's see what the other two charges. You have valid registration, ma'am?
Yes.
Mr. Barry, why don't you work it out with Ms. Snyder?
Yes, sir.
Officer Hebner in there as well. And then let us, the other matter, I don't see Officer Harris, so it's just, she says she has proper documentation. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Ms. Lloyd first, and you can check, see if you see the documentation. I'll accept your representation on that, and then you go to breakout room 4 and speak to Ms. Schneider in the office, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Let's pass the matter. Miss, who was on Marcel Green?
I am, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Green. Mr. Green, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, I did negotiate this with the city attorney. She's willing to set the two matters out of default. And if my client admits responsibility to seatbelt violation, both the misdemeanor and the improper turn would be dismissed at this time.
You want to do that, Mr. Green?
Yes.
All right, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for those responsible for that responsible plea counsel.
So stipulated.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
So stipulated.
$65, Mr. Green, when can you pay?
Tomorrow.
All right, I'm gonna give you until Friday to make sure that payment gets here. Pay it at any DIV kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that DIV app to your phone, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. If there's nothing further, sir, $65, pay it tomorrow, close it out. Make sure to pay by Friday. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Okay, thank you.
Your Honor, the officer was able to look up for Miss Lloyd, and she confirmed that she's now in compliance.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Lloyd. The one ticket, the Harris, Officer Harris, did not appear, I don't believe. I have not seen Officer Harris. Do you want to make a motion on that, counsel?
I think Mr. Berry took her to breakout room 2, I think. I'll go tell him.
Just wait till he comes out. That's 1, 2, and 3.
Yay.
He's out, Your Honor.
He's out. So how is it that I have 2 different officers on the same set of tickets? Okay, so what about the, so we do have an offer on the EWAP. The Officer Hebner is on the EWAP ticket. It just says, oh, Harris is the attorney assigned to it. So what's gonna happen with the EWAP?
Then with the EWAP, I would do the standard disorderly conduct.
Okay, now go back in the breakout room and speak about the EWAP. Maybe we need to get Ms. Harris here. Did you speak to Ms. Harris, Ms. Lloyd?
No.
You've never spoke with Attorney Harris before?
Oh, last time. Yeah, is Miss Harris a female, correct?
Yeah, who am I speaking with?
I'm sorry, this is her aunt, Nikki. I'm helping her. Miss Harris, I believe you're talking about a female. She was her attorney last time.
Yes, all right. So
that's
why,
who you gave her last time. I'm not sure what's happening right now.
I'm gonna get her back in here. Well, why does she seems to be an adult, I know a young adult, but why does she can't speak for herself?
No, she can. She was confused and lost on, because we've gotten, well, she's gotten 2 different or 3 different attorneys now. We've been doing this for a year. We've been on with you many times. And I've been here with her every time.
What is your name for the record, ma'am?
Nicole Summers.
Let's get Ms. Harris in here, and she has spoken with her. Let's get Ms. Harris in. Let's pass the matter, and we'll get Ms. Harris in here, okay?
Thanks.
Your Honor, sorry to interrupt. I had to go double check my notes. This will be, the EWAP will also be a dismissal. We don't need to wait for Attorney Harris.
We don't need to wait for Attorney Harris. Let's go back on the record for Ms. Payton. Let's go get Officer Hebner. You want to put your appearance on the record, please? I'll mark the file as Officer Hebner appeared, and we'll dismiss the case. So you don't have to, it's over with now. we'll dismiss the cases. I'll adopt the recommendation of the city attorney. If there's nothing further, everyone, Ms. Lloyd and your aunt, have a very good day. Best of luck to you both.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Interpreter, Senor.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Yeah, he left again. He's gone. Legato.
So what would you like me to do? Wait or go?
Well, you showed up. I mean, you should. I think you should get paid instead of sitting here. What do we call the case, or what? You can mark the file that you were here.
Okay, I will.
I mean, that's only fair, right? You sat here all this time, and he was here earlier. He was here yesterday and did the same thing that he's done today. He just disappears.
Okay.
All right. Have a good day. I'll see you soon.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day, you too.
All right. City of Detroit versus Kendall Christopher Galladay. Galati? Give me the correct pronunciation.
Galladay, Your Honor.
Galladay. Case number is SP 1245684. Counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1274293, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1509806, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 151014421, and U30734616. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. Galladay.
Galladay, can you state your name for the record, please?
Kendall Christopher Galladay.
5 tickets that are on the docket. The no vendor's license. The failure to yield, driving on cell phone, no proof of insurance. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the suspended license. The other tickets are not on the docket. So today is the date and time set for a trial. We can start with the one ticket. I don't think I've seen Officer Echo, E-C-K-H-O, Echo, E-C-K-H-O-U-T in the room. E-C-K-H-O-U-T. All right.
I don't have them marked as checked in either, Your Honor.
That's for that case, Ms. Soroki.
Your Honor, I'm moving to dismiss.
Dismiss that case, no officer. Then we have the cases that are on the docket. Officer Robinson is here. Why don't you go? And then I don't know why these old cases were not set aside. I generally will, it's like in the range of time that I would have set those aside. I don't know if Mr. Galati wants to reopen those cases. This is a debate we've had for a minute about these old civil infractions, one being a 31 plus mile an hour over. 9/7/2021 was the date on that, and the other being an improper equipment, and then there's another 26 to 30 mile an hour over on 11/4/2021 with a no proof of insurance, which is affecting his license 336. So why don't you speak to Mrs. Snyder, and well, you can speak to Mr. Galladay. Give me the correct pronunciation one more time.
It's Galladay, Your Honor.
Galladay. Galadi.
Galada.
Gala, just as it's spelled, Gala. All right, and you see the offer in the file on the cases that are on the docket today. You may need to get an updated offer. I'm going to put you in a breakout room, Mr. Galata, with Miss Soroki. She'll have a conversation with you about the cases that are on the docket and about the cases that are not on the docket. All right. Let us know what you want to do. All right. All right. Let's join the room, please. Pass the matter until we get some sort of resolution on that. Smooth. I mean, Mr. Guthridge. Where's Mr. Guthridge?
How you doing, Governor?
All right. All right. This is going to need this is set for trial as well. It's Soroki. He's got some matters that are on. Do you have a valid license? I don't think so.
No, Your Honor.
Paid one reinstatement fee, but didn't pay the other.
Yes, when I was trying to pay it, I was just up there trying to pay it. They were telling me that when I went to the clerk, they said it wasn't a note for me to be able to pay it. Like, they were saying that I had to pay the whole ticket and not just the reinstatement fee.
City of Detroit versus David Marcel Guthridge, case number SP 1262312, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1262312, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1361584, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1394004, counts 1 and counts 2 and counts 3. SP 1437082, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, David Guthridge, Your Honor. I'm here.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Guthrie.
All right, so you have cases that are on the docket and some cases that aren't on the docket.
This is
everything is on the docket, but first and foremost, he had an opportunity to pay the reinstatement fees, and he took that opportunity. I do see on one ticket that he paid. Did you try to pay these on the same day?
Yes, I tried to pay them, but they was telling me I couldn't because there wasn't no notes in the system that said I can pay it.
Paid one.
Yeah, I paid the one, and then I literally was trying to pay the other one, and they told me that it wasn't no notes in the system for me to pay the other one. And I was trying to explain to them that you said I could pay it, but they told me I couldn't because it wasn't a note. It was saying I had to pay the whole ticket.
They go specifically off of just they just off of the notes that's there. I intended on you to be able to pay both of them, and then I don't know how the note didn't get in the system for the other one, but today is the date and time set for a trial. So Mr. Berry, Mr. Guthridge was in here before. We gave an opportunity to try to get a license and come back with one. He did what he was required to do, or was given the opportunity to do. I didn't require him to do that, but he did what he was given the opportunity to do. However, somehow the note did not get in the system, or someone overlooked the note. Let's see what it was. Either, whatever the case may be, he wasn't able to pay that other reinstatement fee, which would have given him clearances here at the 36th District Court. So that's on SP 139-40043. He probably could have come back for a license. I wish would have come back and jumped in at some point and let us know. Today is the date and time set for trial/formal hearing. That Officer Washington, is there Officer D. Washington, has not appeared on those matters.
Your Honor, we must seek dismissal of those matters.
Now with those cases, I don't know if he's able to, but he has the opportunity. We'll make sure we give him the opportunity to, is Officer Brown here? No officer, only officer we have for Guthridge is ill.
Okay.
On the SP 143-7082, counts 1 and counts 2, is there an Officer Brown? Hearing no response.
Your Honor, we seek dismissal as to that matter. No officer.
I don't see an Officer Brown in the breakout room either. All right, and is Officer Harper here? Officer Harper. Is there Officer Harper? Hearing no response. Grant the same motion. All right.
Yes, Your Honor, we seek dismissal, yes.
All right. With that, you should be able to get a valid license. With that, that leaves civil infractions of expired plate and a no insurance proof. Expired plate and no insurance proof. The offer, as it was written in the file, to the expired plate and dismiss the no insurance proof. $145.
Okay. Yeah.
$145, Mr. Governor.
Okay, so Your Honor, I would just have to pay the $145, and that would be the reinstatement fee to get my license back.
This stuff is dismissed because the officer didn't appear. Let's get Officer Hill in here. So none of the officers appeared. So that made it sort of simple. I mean, I got Officer Hill that did it.
Okay, so
at the civil infractions. Officer Hill appeared. I don't know if that's Corporal Hill or if that's Officer Hill. Has appeared. So you want to take the deal? No proof of insurance, 120, 140. No, strike that. Expired plates, $145. Doesn't abstract the Secretary of State. It's just a misdemeanor. We'll close it out upon payment.
Yeah, so just to be sure, I will go to the Secretary of State and pay the $145, and I'll be all set.
$145 with 36th District Court.
Oh, 36th District Court paid $145. Okay, and once I pay the $145, I'll be eligible to go take my test to get my license.
You probably will be eligible before you pay the $145. When are you going to pay the $145?
Is it possible if I can get 2 weeks?
Yeah, absolutely. You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
To the face of the ticket as an actual basis for that responsible plea for the expired plates, counsel.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters we said on the record.
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
With that, find your client responsible for the amended count, as charged to the expired plate, $145. I'm gonna give them 2 weeks to pay. This abstractions are gonna go through now, so I would wait 48 to 72 hours. Don't wait until you pay the 145, but pay the 145 before May 16th or by May 16th, 2024. Pay it at any div that kiosk in the city of Detroit, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. I'm told you can upload that div that app to your phone. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
All right, so don't wait to pay that. Go wait 48, 72 hours from today and try to get a license, all right?
Okay.
All right, best of luck to you, Mr. Guthrie. You're free to leave.
Thank you.
All right, let's call Lexi.
Hi, I'm here. Good morning.
Yeah, how are you? What's your name now?
Alexis Legato.
Alexis Legato. All right,
Legato.
I have Legato. I'm sorry. I have Officer Johnson. It did appear. I think Officer Johnson. Officer Hill. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, I marked the file as appeared. Mr. Gutham's case is closed. He got a pled to the expired plate.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Have a good day. Be safe. City of Detroit versus Alexis Jean Legato, case number SP 1491274, counts 1 and counts 2. Here's for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Legato.
Alexis Legato.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial. I imagine the offer is going to be the expired plate. Well, no, here the offer is going to be allowing 240 and improper plates 240. So 2 counts, 2 pleas of $240, unless Ms. Snyder reviews it and thinks different. Ms. Legato, you have an absolute right to a trial, and I'm going to put you in a breakout room. Both cases will be dismissed upon payment of $240. But they're document tickets. One is an allowing Mr. Berry, and the other is an unregistered untitled. So let me put you in a breakout room, and I'm going to give Mr. Berry an opportunity to speak with Ms. Snyder. See what he can do for you. All right. Join the room, please. Mr. Berry, Officer Johnson is here. Let's pass the matter.
Okay.
You can go to 4. Snyder's in 4.
Thank you.
Are you ready on anybody, Ms. Soroki?
Yes, Mr. Golday, Your Honor.
Mr. Goladay. Mr. Goladay, let's go back on the record with Mr. Goladay, giving you an opportunity, sir, to speak with Ms. Snyder. What do you want to do? What's your client want to do?
Your Honor, he's going to accept the offer of the people. It is going to be modified in regards to the tickets that are in default. The one matter that has both the speeding and the no proof of insurance will be set aside and dismissed. The other ticket's going to remain as is, and he's going to plead to the fail to display and then 2 responsible pleas.
So she's giving him a break on the speeding and the no proof of insurance. So he'll keep the 31 plus and the improper plate. I mean, improper equipment. And
Yes.
then what else?
And then he'll plead pursuant to the offer, which would be fail to display, driving on a cell phone, and impeding traffic.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
Failure to display, blocking traffic,
And cell phone.
and dismiss the no insurance.
Correct.
Can you raise your right hand, please? You swear or affirm, tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
You put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for the offenses of 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, Your Honor.
This is fact. Did you ever take the better driver's course?
No, Your Honor.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Soroki went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understood those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have any questions about those rights?
No, Your Honor.
You know, by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Let me draw your attention back to October the 11th, 2023 at around 5:32 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Shane and St. Albert. You have an occasion on that day, contact incoming caller with the Detroit Police Department.
Yes, Your Honor.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, Your Honor.
Officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license.
Yes, Your Honor.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No, sir, Your Honor.
Why is that?
The license at the time was suspended, Your Honor. Unbeknownst to me.
$240 to find him guilty, committing common failure to display. I don't know if this driving on cell phone is a moving violation, Ms. Snyder. If it is, then he's probably going to set himself up for a license suspension for the next 2 years, taking this failure to display and the license. Officer Robinson, good morning to you. Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Morning, sir. Officer Willie Robinson, badge 2590, Detroit Police.
Good morning to you. Let's see. Driving on cell phone.
Is it 257602C1, Your Honor?
257. That doesn't, yeah, 257602B.
Double check. Okay, so that is under section 3295 in the SOS code index. It looks like the first is a 0-point civil infraction. but it
Is
does
abstract?
abstract.
So that probably is going to affect moving forward. 3295. 3295.
Yeah, we were looking at 3292.
3292. If it's 3292, then it's probably not going to abstract. It's not going to abstract, and it won't affect it. 3295 it is going to abstract. One, it says used only for a passenger vehicle. I don't know if GTL 1 or 2 represents in that code, but on the 3292. So I don't know which one.
I'm going to ask the city attorney if she'd willing to amend it to 3292 in that case.
I was going to ask, would we be able to do that, Your Honor? I can give Madam Clerk the actual code.
Yeah, I don't think that should be a problem. They're both civil infractions.
Perfect. And just for the record, it's 257.602 C and Cat 1.
That's 3292.
Correct, Your
All
Honor.
right, 257 C 62602, right?
Yes, 257.602 C1.
C1. I wrote it down.
Oh, okay.
Perfect. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right.
What was the name? Is it the
That's
name?
driving on cell phone.
Okay, thank you.
All right. All right. So will you stipulate to the fact that you were on it, looking at your phone, as the officer said, you're looking at your phone trying to get directions to your kid's school, right?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
I'd say this though, Mr. Golladay, that's kind of, I would say, kind of a lame excuse there.
Your Honor, I was looking down. I was looking down for the direction in which to go, and the officer saw me.
I'm saying is this your son? Is this a new school or something?
Sir, I'm a school teacher. Sir, I'm a school teacher, and I travel to my children's basketball games to support them in their athletics.
Oh, so it's a different school that you were going to?
Yes, sir. It's a different school in which my students were participating in.
I thought you were going to your son's school to pick
Oh
him
no,
up.
sir. I have no children, sir. I just searched the children
at 532. Okay. All right. And it says stipulate to the other civil infraction. So to the failure to yield right away, stipulate to those on behalf of your client, counselor.
No, stipulate to the and ask for the amended charge of impeding traffic.
All right. So with those stipulations, I found him guilty of the amended count of failure to display $240 fine. I'll find him responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic for $175 fine, and I will also find him responsible as charged to the driving on cell phone, specifically 257, amended to 257.602 C1, $100 on that. Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
So stipulate, Your Honor.
And from my understanding, it's only going to be one set of 26 to 30 over, and a no proof of insurance. The other 31 plus over in proper equipment is going to remain the same. Is that correct?
That's my understanding of the offer, Your Honor.
All right. Is that what the offer is, Ms. Snyder?
That's correct.
So do you understand that, sir? So the old tickets that you got only, and it was four of them, civil infractions. Only 2 of those tickets are they willing to dismiss and close out. It'll save you $264 and $336. The other 2 are $282 and $192 you'll have to pay, and then you'll have to pay the $175, $100, and $240. You understand that?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
All right, and I'm waiving the warrant fee on the dealer no vendor's license ticket. All right, so tell me, when can you pay, sir?
You can give me until the end of the month and the end of May. That will be That would be greatly appreciated.
I'll give you June the 3rd, 30 days.
Thank you,
All
sir.
right, and you don't have to come back because none of these tickets are I'm not, we're not gonna, we'll just close them out and they'll just automatically administratively close themselves out when you pay. But if you take, I think you can go try to get a valid license now after the day.
Thank you.
So there's nothing further, sir. Have a very good day. How's your kids doing in basketball? I know the season's over with. How did it go?
Our girls won the state championship. You know, so we're doing our thing out here.
That's what's up. That's what's up. All right, keep up the good work, and hopefully they can get some scholarships and things like that, and continue that career and education up to the next level.
100%. Thank you, sir. Have a good one.
You have a better one. All right. Let's call this city of Detroit. James iPad. Where's James iPad?
I'm here, Your Honor.
Good morning. What's your name, sir?
James Lee.
James Lee?
James Lee, L-E-E.
Good morning to you.
Morning.
City of Detroit versus James Leonard Lee Jr. Case number is SP 11-90016, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 121-5008, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 121-5015, counts 1, 2. SP 138-5255, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 143-739. 5 counts 1 counts 2 and counts 3. SP 1437462 counts 1 and counts 2. SP 147777321. SP 1477770 counts 1, 2, and 3. 2172268 counts 1 and 2, and 217226871. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lee.
James Lee. James Lee.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Mr. Lee, do you have a valid license now?
No, I do not.
What's going on with that?
Problem was, the last time I was in court, I was under the assumption that I go to the other places that I owe tickets and just pay them, but they want me to go through the whole process, and they set a court date that was past this one, and I couldn't even pay nothing until that next court date, and that was for Troy and for Westwood. I couldn't just outright pay.
When are the next court dates?
Troy is the 21st this month, and Westwood is right around the same time.
All right, so why don't we set a trial date for these tickets? That'll give you until August the 1st.
Thank you.
Slash formal hearing. And these are you went to the Secretary of State though, didn't you?
Yes, I did.
Secretary of State, but those were the only two on there, right?
It was yes, it was them and Southfields, and that was it. That was it.
So he came on sounding all down and stuff. I know it kind of took a little wind out of your sails, but we're gonna try to put that wind back in your sails a little bit, and you can keep on. All right.
Definitely appreciate it. Thank you.
Trial slash formal hearing, August the 1st, 2024. August the 1st, 2024 at 9 a.m. Best of luck to you, sir. Have a good day.
So,
Mary Green. Mary Green there?
I'm here. Good morning.
Good morning. What's your middle name? Do you have a middle name?
Louise LaShawn.
City of Detroit versus Mary Louise LaShawn Green, case number 224-70151. SP 1540082 counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1566185 counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1566823 counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, Ms. Soroka.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroka, on behalf of Ms. Green.
Green, state your name for the record, please.
Mary Louise LaShawn Green.
Right. Today is the date and time set for a retrial.
Yeah, she said.
Was Raymond on the bench one? I'm sorry.
She had two spots, actually.
Yeah. All right.
I think that's the same person.
Mary Green. Mary Green. Yes. Today is the date and time set for Raymond. No, it's just a hearing. So let's see what the other matters are set for. Looks like they're they're pre-trial as well. I don't know. I guess it's not the LaShawn down there. Right. We need to get an updated offer for you, Mr. Berry. I only have one ticket on, well, it should be 2 tickets. The other tickets are in other places. Green.
Or Ms. Green.
Yes. Okay, so you see, we have SP1 in 835, Mary Louise LaShawn Green, SP 154000821. SP1 and count 2 on that ticket. And then we have 227470151 at the hearing up above. Only one misdemeanor is that's on the docket. All of the rest of them are civil infractions. So I'll give you an update on the offer, Mr. Berry. I mean, on the charges, allegations at least, and you can get a global resolution, or she can set a trial date. Ms. Green can set a trial date. So we have a disregard of red signal, an expired plate, a no insurance misdemeanor, a 16 to 20 over, an expired plate, no insurance, expired plate, and no insurance. So the no insurances are civil infractions, 1 misdemeanor, misdemeanor no insurance, the 2 expired plate civil infractions, a speeding 6 to 20 civil infraction, and a disregard of red signal. Get her an updated offer, please. And you have an absolute right to a trial, Ms. Green, all right?
Yes.
I'll put you in a breakout room. Wait on Mr. Berry. He's gonna get you. I mean, is that Ms. Soroka?
Yes, it's my case, Your Honor.
Sorry, Ms. Soroka. Get her an updated offer, and then we will see what Ms. Green wants to do. Put you in a breakout room. Wait on Ms. Soroka, please, in breakout room 3.
Okay.
Let's go past that matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Legato. Ms. Legato, give me an opportunity. Give me the correct pronunciation. I think I'm pronouncing it wrong.
It's Legato.
Legato, I got it. What's going to be the resolution here? Officer Johnson, Good morning to you. Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Officer Robert Johnson, badge number 783, Detroit Police Department.
All right, very good. All right, what's going to be the resolution here, Mr. Berry?
My client would enter a plea to the offer of as to the allowing charge on the basis of a 90-day delayed sentence.
And the update is dismissing the other matter?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you sure your client can make the factual basis for an allowing ticket? I think he froze.
Yeah. Yes, Your Honor.
Can you raise your, is that what you want to do, Ms. Legato?
Yeah.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room video.
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Is there any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Wait. So I'm confused.
All right. So Mr. Berry went over. You have the absolute right to a trial. That's one of the main in my opinion rights that you have. You understand that, right?
Yeah.
All right. And there's another enumerated rights that are on this advice or rights sheet that Mr. Berry should have over with you. Did he go over those other rights with you, ma'am? That you can call witnesses, that you can that you have a right to remain silent, that that you don't have the burden to prove anything in this case. It's all the state's or the city's burden to prove the allegation that they had laid out to you. Did Mr. Berry go over all those rights with you? Okay, I'm getting a sense of confusion. What I want you to do is I want you to rejoin the breakout room and speak again and go over those rights. Maybe we can get her an email address and email her the advice or rights, and you can have a signed copy of that. You can read them over yourself. And if you have a question about them, you can ask Mr. Berry. Can I get an email address from you, Ms. Legato?
Yeah, Alexis Legato. 04.
Just how you spell it, the whole name?
Yeah. ALEXSIS LEGATO.
Okay.
04 at iCloud.com.
If we could send her advice from us, let's pass the matter. I want to send you an advice or rights form, and hopefully you can send that back to us signed. Pass the matter, and then now, Mr. Berry, you talk to your client, and your client can make a factual basis out for that allowing, correct?
Yes, Your Honor, correct.
All right. Why don't you both go back in the breakout room, we're sending you that advice or rights. You'll be able to read over it. Wait on Mr. Berry. Well, wait here, and you can confirm that you got it. All right, Ms. Legato?
Okay.
All right. Let's pass the matter momentarily. And Abel there.
Yes, I'm here.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning to you also, sir.
This is another case that's set for trial today, and I did have the officer here. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Green. Ms. Green, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what you want to do?
Your Honor, we've made a plea agreement with the city attorney, and I don't know if Ms. Snyder is on, but my client would plead to improper plate and expired plate. Ms. Snyder was going to have her plead on the red light, limited access 11 to 15, but my client let me know she's already resolved that with the Secretary of State, and she's getting 1 point for that through them. So I'm asking that be removed from the offer. And then all the old matters would be dismissed.
So the red light, disregard the red stick, that's just going to be 204. And you just pay that now.
I'm sorry.
That's on that 22 ticket, that 2002 ticket, red light ticket, right?
No, yes. That's being dismissed. I'm sorry. That's being dismissed. I don't know.
Which one are you speaking of? On you said 11. You said something about one dismissed.
One of the matters she had today, she had a third ticket that was a. What was that one?
I think it is the 22 ticket, the 22747.
Yes.
I think that's the ticket we're discussing.
All right, so I'm not going to do anything with that ticket.
Correct.
Right. And you'll just pay that. You'll just hold a court 204 on that ticket, ma'am.
Okay.
What is the other resolutions on those?
All the old outstanding matters would be dismissed. She's going to plead to no unregistered vehicle and improper plate.
All right, you're talking about improper plate, the civil and the misdemeanor, right?
Correct.
Improper plate and expired plate, and then everything else is dismissed?
Correct.
You want to take the deal, ma'am? That's going to be a $240 fine for the improper plate, and it's going to be a $145 fine for the expired plate, and the other cases are dismissed, and then you'll owe that other 204 that you already owe. You want to take that deal?
And we're talking what, about $500 or?
Yeah, I just told you 240, 204, and 145. So that it's more than 500.
Okay. Yeah. Yes, Your Honor.
More than 500. I'll dismiss the 240. I'll dismiss the misdemeanor upon payment. And the other cases will pull themselves out. Raise your right hand, please. You swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. You understand the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Soroki went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
You understood the case?
Yes.
Questions about those rights?
No.
By taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to January 13, 2024 at around 3:02 p.m. City of Detroit, in the area of Burke Road in Acacia. Give me the correct pronunciation.
Acacias, yes.
Acacias?
Mm-hmm.
Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Operate a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Officer asked you to produce valid insurance?
Yes.
You could not do so, could you?
That's correct.
Why is that?
I didn't have it at the time. It had lapsed.
And the plates were expired on the vehicle as well, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor.
Find you guilty of the admitted count of improper plate, fine you $240 for that. I'll dismiss that upon payment and find you responsible for as charged the expired plate. That's a $145 fine. Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
Your Honor, so stipulated.
All right, 240 and 145, those are the matters that I'm concerned with. You're gonna owe that 204 as well. What do you want to do with the 240 and the 145? When can you pay it?
I just asked that I get some time. I laid my brother to rest tomorrow, and I haven't really been working.
I'm sorry to hear that. I'm sorry to hear that. All right. I'm gonna sympathize with you and send my condolences to you and your family for the loss of your brother. I'm gonna give you 60 days, ma'am, to get yourself together, all right?
Yes.
All right, come back on July the 3rd, 2024 at 8:25, and best of luck. Best of luck to you, ma'am. I send my condolences to you. All right.
Thank you.
All right, have a good day. All right. Legato, did you get the
Yes, I got it.
All right, go back in the breakout room, speak to Mr. Berry. All right, do we need to go back in the breakout room?
Oh, no, we don't, Your Honor.
Can you send me that signed copy? Do you have a way to sign that and send that back to us?
Yeah, I can try.
All right. Now we're back on the record with Ms. Legato. Ms. Legato, you have the you said you want to take this deal. You understood that the maximum possible penalty was 93 days in jail and or $500 in fine, correct?
Yes.
You have the advice of rights form there. Did you have an opportunity to read those rights?
Yes.
Do you understand those rights?
Yes.
And do you know when you take this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Have you signed that and sent that back to us yet, ma'am?
I replied and I typed my name and I replied, but I don't think I can print my name or sign it.
All right. And Mr. Berry went over those rights with you, didn't he?
Yes.
Okay. Let me draw your attention. Let me draw your attention back to August 16th, 2023 at around 5:50 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Norwood and Millow. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department? No, you probably not necessarily. Let's redo this. Did you on August 16th, 2023 around 5:50 p.m. Did you own a 2017 GMC, ma'am?
Yeah.
Did you allow somebody on that date, around that date and time, to drive that GMC?
Yes.
And you allowed that person to drive that GMC knowing that that person did not have a valid driver's license?
Yes.
Well, I'll find you guilty of that then. Stipulation of probable cause, I'll dismiss the other matter.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
$240, Mr. Gallo. When can you pay it?
I can pay it right now.
Let's get it in the system. I'm waiving the warrant fee. You want to come back Friday and Friday morning, if it's paid. And if it's paid, then we will dismiss the case. You want to do that, ma'am?
Sure, yeah.
And if it's paid, and if you know it's paid, if you pay it at any DivDat kiosk, or you upload that DivDat app to your phone and pay it that way, or you come into court, I know that it'll go through immediately, and we'll dismiss the case. So come back Friday. If it's paid, you don't have to come back. But if it's not paid, we need to see you. Okay.
Okay, you said I can pay online?
DivDat, DIVDAT. Those are around the city and the Myers and things like that. Or I'm told you can upload that that app to your phone and pay it. And that'll go through immediately. Or you come down to the courthouse and pay it, and it'll go through immediately that way as well, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Have a great day, ma'am. Best of luck to you.
You too.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus our Officer Johnson. Have a good day, be safe. He's gone. This is the city of Detroit versus Abel Lerma, case number SP 149-67551, SP 149-67561. Appearance for the record, please.
Colleen Strokey on behalf of Mr. Lerma.
Mr. Lerma, good morning. Can you state your name for the record, please? Star 6 to unmute yourself. Sergeant Carson is here. For Star 6 to unmute yourself, Mr. Lerma. Improper lane use is a license violation. All right, we'll pass the matter until he gets to be unmuted. Lindsay, Thomas Lindsay, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Right. Officer is here today on Lindsay. Today is the date and time set. This is the city of Detroit versus Thomas Burke. Lindsay, case number SP 1489079, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lindsay.
Thomas Burke Lindsay Sr.
What's your date of birth, sir?
October 10th, 1966.
All right, that would be the right one. All right, I have Officer Law here as well. Do you have valid license, registration, and insurance, Mr. Lindsay?
I just have a valid driver's license.
Let's get you an officer. Officer Law, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record for Thomas Lindsay, please?
Good morning, sir. This is Officer Law.
All right, name and badge number of department, please.
Kalen Law, badge number 2560, Detroit Police Department.
Okay. Let's get Mr. Lindsay an updated offer. He indicates, run his driver's license, please.
If you're able to confirm the license, I would amend the offer to 1 improper plate, dismiss the balance.
Karen, I just sent you a chat too.
Okay.
Not that it matters.
What is the chat? I don't see my chat. Why can't I see my chat? Oh, it is. All right. It does matter. All right. I know that Gunther is not here. He's been in and out all morning. Let's pass this right quick. CJG, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, what does CJG stand for?
First name Charles, last name Gordon.
Gordon.
Middle name James.
Very good. Charles Gordon.
(8:30 a.m. Your Honor.
Yes. You have valid registration, Mr. Gordon?
Yes, I do.
City of Detroit versus Charles James Gordon, is that Junior?
Yes, it is, Your Honor.
All right, case number SP 1482741. Appearance for the record, please.
Pauline Stroke on behalf of Charles Jordan.
Gordon.
Let's see the that's just for purposes of arraignment, counsel.
Waive the formal reading the information, stand mute to the charges, Your Honor.
Enter a not guilty plea on the client's behalf, get the client a $0 bond. This one should be easy. Are you a Spartan fan, sir?
Yes, I am.
All right, this one, no. Let me see the insurance, please.
You need to see my auto insurance?
Well, I need to see the title, registration.
Oh, okay. The insurance was never in question. I presented an
No, it's not in
insurance.
question now. Just hold the registration up, please. Ms. Snyder, I was going to dismiss that automatically because he's a Spartan fan, but I know.
And I live in East Lansing.
Yeah, I knew you would probably object to that, Ms. Snyder.
Can you see it there, Your Honor?
Push it closer, please. So you just renewed it. Oh, no, you let it down. What about the little receipt what about the little registration receipt that they have?
Oh, it's in the vehicle. Would you like me to run grab it?
No, let me see what you have. You
This was,
took it down
when I had it renewed.
too soon. All right, push it closer. I'm satisfied. I'll dismiss the case for providing valid documentation. Go green.
Much appreciated, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right. I'll waive the warrant fee as well.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Best of luck. Best of luck to you.
Thank you. Have a great day.
As well, everyone. Okay. Someone else, you're free to leave, Mr. Gordon. Where are we with okay, let's go back on the record with Lindsay. I do have a valid license for Mr. Lindsay. So now the updated offer is improper plate for the no insurance. $240 fine, dismiss upon payment. And you know, again, today is the date and time set for a trial. Who will put their appearance on the record for Mr. Lindsay?
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Lindsay. State your full name, Mr. Lindsay.
Yeah, I think you did already. Speak to Mr. Lindsay and have a conversation with him that offer improper plates as it stands right now. I don't know if he's got a vehicle or if he's going to get some plates or insurance. Speak with him and let us know what he wants to do. 240 will dismiss upon payment.
Okay.
All right. Gets me down to join the room. I think Rashard Gray is the next person. Rashard Gray.
I'm here.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning, Your Honor.
This is the city of Detroit and the state of Michigan versus Rashard Gray. Case number SP 151612222. Hold on, Ms. Burlong. SX 431495991. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke on behalf of the defendant.
Mr. Gray, can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, Rashad Trayvon Gray.
Today is the date and time. It's set for an arraignment on the warrant. One is on show cause, one has a warrant on it. Go ahead, counsel.
At this time, waive the formal reading of the information, stand mute to the charges.
Enter not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. Do you have a valid license, Mr. Gray?
Yes, Your Honor.
Run his driver's license, please. We'll pass the matter. And we'll see if the license is good, all right?
Yeah, the copy.
License is valid. We'll dismiss the cases for providing valid documentation, and I'll waive the warrant for you. Mr. Gray, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, all right?
All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Free to leave, sir. City of Detroit versus Brianna Long, case number SP 152047761, ST 152047771, SX and the state of Michigan versus Brianna Long, case number SX 4348805, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke on behalf of Brianna Long.
All right, Ms. Long, state your name for the record, please.
Brianna Long.
All right, we have, Officer Olson here for Long. That would be on the SP 152047761 case. We don't have anyone here on the state matters. You want to make a motion? Is there a PUCZYLOWSI Trooper Kozowski, hearing no response.
Your Honor, at this time I make a motion to dismiss both matters that trooper is on.
Okay.
And I believe also Officer Barrett may not be present.
Yeah, the problem with that's just like the other one today. Maybe one was working in conjunction with the other, I think. Because on the ticket, oh no, Miss Barrett is the attorney. That's what it is.
Oh.
Not up here. Get Miss Barrett in here, please. That's what that is. Officer Olson, are you there?
He's in the breakout room, Your Honor. And I believe the marijuana charge will be state for Ms. Long.
All right, let's get the state prosecutor in here as well. Are you concerned about the improper lane use? If there's some sort of deal on the marijuana? I guess
No.
I guess what the officer is probably saying is that, if I could just guess, is that the marijuana had her driving over to improper lane use, whatever improper lane use is. Officer Olson, can you state your name for the record, put your appearance on the record, please?
Officer K. Allison, badge 4443 of Detroit Police Department.
Okay. Let's get the state in here. Let's get the state in. And let's get Ms. Baird in here. Let's pass the map. Have you talked to Ms. Baird, Ms. Long?
Who was that? Is that the lawyer or the officer?
Lawyer.
I talked to one before and they said that we were gonna go to trial and then they set this court date.
A lady, right?
Oh no, I believe it was a man. It was a man.
I don't know how Barrett is on the case. Yeah, Melita Barrett. All right, let's pass the matter. Let's get her in here and let's get this some sort of understanding of what's going on and call the state attorney's office and get some. Let's pass.
Just let me see her.
You remember I had 2 other tickets too. You moved them till today.
2 of them are getting dismissed.
Oh, I don't know. I'm confused.
The officer didn't show up.
Oh.
On the other 2. Go ahead.
I just want to check her file right
Here. All right, pass the matter. Okay, let's go. Is Thomas Lindsay ready?
Yes, I am, Your Honor.
Mr. Barrett?
Ready.
Mr. Barrett?
Yes, ready.
Let's go back. Let's pass Long and let's go back on the record with Lindsay. Give me an opportunity, sir, to speak to Mr. Berry in a breakout room. Mr. Berry, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we request a short adjournment so that Mr. Lindsay could acquire the necessary document he needs. He says he presently has a license.
He does have a license. And Miss Snyder, are you willing to stipulate to that adjournment? I guess Mr. Lindsay, instead of paying $240, he would like to use that $240 to get some insurance, correct?
I would agree, Your Honor, as long as the next date does not require the officer to be present, since Mr. Lindsay did get into compliance somewhat by getting his license.
Yeah, it's not gonna, we're not gonna require the officer being here. I'm just gonna mark the file that adjourn to insurance and registration. All right, how long is it gonna take?
I'm gonna need a few more months, Your Honor.
Oh, what's a few more months? What's going on?
Well, the problem is I called a few insurance company and all of them giving me a high price, and I just need a few months so I can save some more money.
You sell one of them $high paintings back there and you get it, and then you have to buy a new car and all that stuff. No,
I don't think my wife gonna want that, man.
She's well, okay, so you get 93 days in jail or the pain.
The pain is in.
Are you working?
Yes, I am.
I don't see why it takes some months to get to that point.
Well, the lowest rate that they quote me was $1,200, and they told me because of my previous driving record. So I'm in the process of saving that right now.
Yeah, he's driving. It's like my father said: buy what they want, beg what they need. Driving Cadillac, got thousands of dollars worth of paint sitting behind you. I don't know. I don't think that your work.
Yes.
I don't think this. I'm gonna give you 30 days to get it together.
Okay.
Come back June 3rd, 2024, 8:30. I have the file marked. We'll give you dismissal if you bring it. All right.
Okay, you said June 3rd at 8:30?
June 3rd at 8:30.
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
All right, you also, thank you.
Thank you. Let's go back on the record. Let's recall the city of Detroit versus Abel Lerma, case number.
Lerma.
Lerma, case number SP 149-67551, SP 149-67561. Appears for the record, please.
Yes, my name is Abel Lerma.
Mr. Sergeant Carson, can you put your appearance on the record for Mr. Lerma?
Sergeant Corey Carson, badge SA-27, Detroit Traffic Enforcement.
Mr. Lerma, do you have a valid license, sir?
I do not, sir.
The offer for Mr. Lerma going to be Ms. Snyder.
It is a fail to display and a speeding 1 to 5 over.
Oh, well, the failure to display speeding 1 to 5. So it's going to be 1.2 abstractable tickets. So meaning that basically you don't have a license now, you probably weren't going to be eligible for a license for the next 2 years. I'm going to put you in a breakout room. Ms. Soroki, want to handle Mr. Lerma?
I will, and I'll ask Ms. Snyder if she'd offer improper plate instead of fail to display.
Okay, let's Ms. Snyder, let's speak to Ms. Wait on Ms. Soroki, all right, Mr. Lerma? Today is the time set for a trial / formal hearing. He's in the breakout room 3.
Thank you.
All right. Pass the matter. Okay. Where's Officer? I wanted to say something to your son.
I think you got out of there right when you. I don't even know if he knew he was in here with us. Wait.
I'm sure he did. He heard you. Well, I don't know. He was in the breakout room a lot for the longest. All right. Well, that's sweet. Long. What are we waiting on for Long? We're waiting on Miss Barrett in the state attorney's office.
Thank you so much. You're welcome.
Hey, how you doing? No.
Good morning, the state prosecutor, Alex Waring is here. Who needs to speak with me?
Hey, good morning, Mr. Waringa. Miss Barrett, we're waiting on her for Long. As a state is operating a motor vehicle while smoking marijuana.
Okay.
We'll let you know as soon as she gets here.
I'm ready, Your Honor, on the last matter you sent me in on. I should have prompted him out.
Okay, I have it. Did you go in there and speak with them?
Yeah.
Okay. Corporal Croxton never out. Mr. Lerma, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lerma. Mr. Lerma, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counselor, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, I was able to renegotiate with the city attorney. The offer would be failed to display a veiled license. The other ticket would be amended to impeding traffic. My client's waiving his rights and asking the court to adopt the recommendation.
What do you do for work, Mr. Lerma?
I am self-employed, sir. Concrete construction.
All right. You want to take the deal?
Yes, sir.
This is usually one of those. Ms. Snyder?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Lerma is self-employed. I imagine he's running a small operation. Any objection to giving him a 1-for-1 on this? Saving him
This is Lerma.
Yes.
I have no objection, Your Honor. I'd prefer to keep the FTD.
Yes, yes. All right. Save you $175, sir. Well, can you raise your right hand, please?
Yes.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, I do, sir.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Soroki went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
You have any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
And you understood them all, correct?
That is correct. Yes, sir.
And you know that by taking this deal, you're going to give up those rights?
Yes, I understand.
All right. And anybody offer you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
Let me draw your attention back to September the 5th, 2023 at around 3:44 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in this area of 7 Mile and Atworth Street. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department? Excuse me.
I didn't hear that, sir. Sorry.
Did you have occasion on that date on September the 5th, 2023 at around 3:44 p.m. City of Detroit in the area of 7 Mile and Atworth Street? Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Operate a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes, sir.
You could not do so, could you?
I could not. No, sir.
Why is that? Why couldn't you produce the license, sir?
Oh, my license is suspended, sir.
Very well. Find him guilty of the amended count of failure to display a $240 fine. Stipulation of probable cause will dismiss the other matter.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, 240. When can you pay, Mr. Lerma?
I can pay today, or I can pay early in the morning tomorrow, sir. I can be at the courthouse tomorrow morning.
Make sure it's paid by Friday. We'll close the matter out. 240. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that DivDat app to your phone, and of course you can come down here tomorrow morning and pay it. If there's nothing further, best of luck to you, sir. Have a good day.
Thank you very much. Thank you, sir.
Very much welcome. Corporal Croxton, good morning to you. Your defendant never showed. Gunter is always just continues to have trouble with why don't the officer and Officer Allison and Mr. Wyringa speak? Join the room about long. Rejoin the room, Officer Allison, and speak to Attorney Wyringa.
Yes, sir.
Please. Did you ever get in contact with Clerk Barrett's office?
I sent her, I called several times, I sent text messages and an email.
All right, Gunter is driving. Gunter appears to be driving.
Yeah, this Gunter. I've been trying to get on here since 8:30. Yeah, I'm stopped.
You're stopped?
Yeah.
I don't see how he's talking with. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Elvin Oliver Gunter, case number SP18147, counts 1, 2, and SP101-81481 and 16-221-273, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline, on behalf of Mr. Gunter.
All right, Mr. Gunter, he's gone again, and he's indicated to the court he's driving. That he was driving, but he stopped now. He's got a bad connection. Mr. Gunter, are you there?
Yeah, I'm back now. It went out for a minute.
It keeps going out.
Yeah, it went out for a minute.
You indicate to the court that you were driving, but you're stopped now, and you don't have a valid license that doesn't appear. Yeah. Today is the date and time. He doesn't have a problem with it. He keeps on admitting it. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial on, and he's got more cases.
Okay.
He's got more cases. I think those come up. Let's see.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Hold on a second.
Okay.
What's the case now?
So what is your date of birth, sir?
9/13/1964.
There's another Elvin Oliver Gunter, born on 1/15/86.
No, that's my son. You got the wrong one. I'm the senior. I was born.
And then, all right, so let's scratch that matter, scratch those matters from the docket. This is the city of Detroit versus, I got that. Oh, I mean that summary.
Okay.
City of Detroit versus Elvin Oliver Gunter, case number SP1560918, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please. Ms. Grogan.
Pauline Stroke on behalf of Mr. Gunter, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Gunter, state your name for the record, please. Broke up. I think he's gonna have to find a better device. I don't see an audio sign even connected to him. I don't know how he's even speaking to us. Oh, we can even hear him.
Thing, and reviewing his charges, Your Honor, I think I would ask that court counsel be appointed on his behalf.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on. He's been in and out all morning. Mr. Gunter, are you there? All right, hold on one second.
Hello? Hello?
Just one moment, sir. The judge is on a recess.
Okay. Oh, Lord. I don't know what's wrong with this phone. Hello?
We're still here, Mr. Gunter. One moment.
Okay. Oh.
Mr. Gunter, it must be me. Mr. Gunter,
Yes, sir.
all right, can you take your hat off and then speak and join the breakout room and speak to Mrs. Soroki in the breakout room, please?
The breakout room. How you do that?
I have is that the case that's last, Judge, for me right there?
No, long as the case is for you. Join the room, Mr. Gunter. You got to look at your phone. Long is for you, Mr. Rodriguez.
Okay.
What's the recommendation on that?
So talking with the officer, recommendation would be 3 months delayed sentence, paid fines and costs, and the case be dismissed.
All right. I don't know what we're gonna do.
Hello?
All right, can you join the room, sir?
I'm trying to join it. It's not popping up.
Did it pop up now?
No, I don't see it.
You're gonna have to come in person.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Why don't you come down tomorrow?
When?
Well, let's do this. Ms. Soroki, Mr. Berry, put your appearance on the record for Mr. Gunter. Let's go back on the record with Oliver Gunter.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Gunter. Mr. Gunter, state your full name.
Elvin Oliver Gunter.
All right, there was the attorney looked at your file and based on the nature of the charges, they I don't think we're gonna get it in.
This thing is wavering and wavering in and out.
I know. Based on the nature of the charges, they say you need to appoint an attorney. You want us to appoint you an attorney, sir? And they can help you with the Zoom and all of that.
When did you want me to come down?
Why don't you, if you want us to appoint an attorney for you, we'll just tell them to come down tomorrow. Come down tomorrow, Mr. Gunter. Mr. Gunter? Come down tomorrow morning, Mr. Gunter. All right. Soroki, do you want to speak to Mrs. Long? The offer is I'll dismiss upon payment, plea discharge. I know Ms. Baird is signed up. We've tried to contact her and to no avail. Either set it for another date or allow it to be resolved today if you want to speak with her.
Sure. What time is she? She's under the trials.
Yes.
And the state prosecutor came in?
Yeah, he's here. You want to speak to him first?
Yeah, why don't I?
All right, join breakout room 4 and speak to Mr. Wyrega for Ms. Long, operating a motor vehicle and smoking marijuana. Mr. Gunter? Mr. Gunter? Mr. Gunter?
Oh, yes.
Come down to the courthouse tomorrow morning at 8:30, okay?
Okay.
All right, have a good day.
All right.
They never showed.
Oh, okay. Did you want to dismiss that?
Which one?
Do you remember when the officer?
Can you go in room number 3, please? I sent you a prompt.
She never showed me the who.
Brandon Long, please accept the prompt. Go into room number 3. Okay.
Which one?
We should go and give it the officer said she wanted to dismiss it.
Golden?
The first one at 9 o'clock when she called me.
She never showed.
Did you still want to dismiss it?
You can ask. Ms. Snyder.
Yes, Your Honor.
This Golden never showed. The officer called and said she wanted to dismiss. What do you want to do?
I would prefer if we can make a note on the file, just so they can stipulate a probable cause for the dismissal, whatever they appear.
We'll put a show cause, man.
Thank you.
I'll make a note, and we don't have to re-engage the officer again.
Can I get another breakout room with Officer Olson?
Yes. Breakout room 1, Officer Olson. Officer Allison, breakout room 1, please.
So we have resolutions.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Long. Long, giving you an opportunity to speak. What's the resolution?
Your Honor, the matter would be amended to a disorderly conduct and then a delayed sentence, if that can be done.
Yeah, I don't see why not. It's a misdemeanor.
Because otherwise, when you plead to the marijuana charge, it suspends your license.
Is that what you want to do, Ms. Long?
Yes, sorry.
Can you raise your right hand, please? The other right. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You do?
I do.
Yes?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fine?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Soroki went over your other advice and rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
me draw your attention back to, November the 8th, 2023, around 6:08 p.m. in the city of Detroit, area of Connor and Warren. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Are you smoking marijuana while you were operating that motor vehicle?
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Sure. I mean, were you or not?
Yes.
You got to say what you're going to say, ma'am. If it's that you weren't smoking it, then you say you weren't smoking. If you were smoking, you're smoking.
It was smoke coming out the car, but nobody was smoking at the time. But if to complete this case over with and to go with what to get this closed, then I guess I gotta say yes, right?
I'm not taking it that way.
Yeah,
it's not going that way. You know, no, now you say it was smoking, but nobody was smoking it. Right?
Right.
And what do you mean by that?
Like, what I mean by that is smoke was coming out the car, but he didn't physically see nobody smoking. He did not physically see nothing in the car. But yeah, that's it. I just want this case to be over with, and I would just take
Miss
this
Long,
deal. So that's why I say.
Miss Long, is it true you were operating the motor vehicle on that day and time in question?
Yes.
And was there burning marijuana in your car?
Yes.
I'm satisfied, Your Honor.
No, I'm not satisfied yet because she just wants to get it over with. That's not how this works. Were you smoking marijuana in the vehicle?
Yes.
And are you saying that just to get it over with? Or are you saying that because you were actually smoking the marijuana?
I was actually smoking it.
And why did you go through all of the other stuff then?
I wasn't really understanding what you were saying. Like, am I supposed to like plead all the way, like say yes to everything so I can that we can finish?
You're not supposed to say yes to anything if you didn't do it. If you weren't smoking the marijuana, then you're not supposed to say yes. That's what I'm asking about, what you did in that car that day.
Okay, yeah, I was smoking marijuana.
So why were you trying not to take responsibility then? Why were you trying to what's the deception about?
I don't know. I guess I didn't fully understand like the deal or whatever. I don't know. But I was, yes.
I go back in the breakout room and speak to Ms. Soroki because you don't seem to be fully understanding of what's going on right now. Have you smoked some marijuana today?
No, I just left my son an appointment.
Go back in the breakout room and speak with Ms. Long and make sure she's fully understanding of what's going on.
Yes, Your Honor.
Please, rejoin the room, please. Rejoin the room, Ms. Long, please. I don't think we should even take this deal. I think we should let Ms. Barrett do this. She signed up on this case. No, don't try to call her anymore. Let's reset the date. All right, what we're gonna do, I don't feel comfortable now in this this is Miss Barrett's case, and I don't want Miss Soroki, I understand you spent some time on it now, but I don't want any Miss Barrett coming back and saying anything about the client not moving forward the way that, I don't know if they spoke. I know Ms. Long that you've been waiting to get this over with, but Ms. Barrett is the lawyer that's actually signed up for this. We've tried to call her to no avail. So we're going to reset this. I'll keep the offer open of disorderly conduct, amended offer of disorderly conduct. I will dismiss upon the payment of $240 fine, but I think at this point, that's the best way that we need to proceed.
Judge, please, we just went in the breakout room and we talked about it, and I do want to proceed. She helped me understand everything.
It's not really about that either, Ms. It's not really about that either, Ms. Barrett. I hesitantly proceeded without Ms. Barrett in the first place, and now that it's come to this, then I think I should have gone with my first mind and just set the matter for another day, so Ms. Barrett can speak to you. Is the phone number of 802-3585 still a good number?
3587.
3585, 802-3585.
3587 is the last 4 digits.
Is that 3587?
Yeah.
Is that 802?
3587, yeah.
Say it again, please.
313-802-3587.
02-3587.
That's Ms. Long's.
Yeah, I'm about to text it to this video. 313.
All right, the offer will remain open. We'll dismiss upon offer, disorderly conduct is offer, we'll dismiss upon payment still. And if we need to facilitate a trial, come back on June 20th, 2024. Okay, Ms. Long. The other 2 cases are dismissed, officer didn't show, and we'll set a pretrial date for the 2 that are on the docket today. All right. It's not really your fault at all. It's not your fault. It's you're here. The attorney is supposed to be here. So we're gonna make sure that she comes in, and then we'll if it's the same as it is today, it is. If it's something that's going to be different, and you could, if she can work out something either better on your behalf, then we'll accept that as well. All right.
Okay.
All right. If there's nothing further, June the 20th, 2024 at 8:30 is the next day. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you, Ms. Long.
Wait, same Zoom number or what?
Same Zoom number, but that attorney should be calling you. We're going to make sure that attorney calls you now. All right.
Okay.
All right. Ms. Barrett is her.
Also,
Officer Allison, we're gonna reset it just for a pretrial. I don't, if we need to summons you again, the state can summons you again, for a trial, all right?
And then the other matters were dismissed, correct, Your Honor? The ones with no
The other
officer.
state matters were dismissed, no officer. They didn't appear, Ms. Long did appear.
Thank you.
All right, if there's nothing further, everybody, thank you, Mr. Waringa, for jumping in, and Officer Allison, you be safe out there. Ms. Long, be good, be safe, and that'll conclude the morning, all right?
Yes, sir. Thank you. Also, I just have one question though.
Yes.
So June 20th, I'll be separated from the department on military leave. So I don't know how that, I can't do anything department related while separated for those days.
Well, June 20th pre-trial, what do you mean that you, after June 20th, you won't, will you have any kind of reconnection with the department after that?
Yes, sir, absolutely. I'll just be gone from the 14th to the 27th of June.
Okay, so June 20th will be just a pre-trial. Your presence won't be necessary then. If we set a trial date, it's going to be after the 27th of June.
Okay, thank you, sir.
All right, be safe. Thank you for your service, and be safe.
Yes, sir, you too. Thank you.
All right, Ms. Long. If there's nothing further, we'll see you back on June 20th.